Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new haul video. So today we've got the mothership. We're doing a Zara haul. You guys know I absolutely love my Zara hauls and I keep making the mistake of going online on Zara's website with the intention of picking up like one or two things, and then before I know it, 2 boxes have arrived on my doorstep full of things. So I have been doing a bit of summer shopping. I think we can officially agree that we are in the summer months now. We've been having such a heat wave recently and I'm loving it. I'm really enjoying dressing for summer at the moment and just styling up some like really summery pieces. It's just making me so happy. So I wanted to update my wardrobe with a few more pieces for summer. Of course I will be trying all of these items on so you can see what they look like. I feel like Zara's sizing at the moment has actually been really good. If you've watched any of my other Zara hauls, 90% of the sizing has been absolutely fabulous. I mean, but there's always like 1 or 2 things that sometimes thrown in there and you're like, really? But we will be trying this all on. I'm hoping this all fits because I'm absolutely in love with everything in this haul and I've been so excited for it to arrive. It actually arrived in 2 different boxes. I'm not entirely sure why. I'm assuming with like shipping issues or like warehouses, I don't really know, but I had 2 things arrive in 1 box and a week later the rest of the haul arrived. So we're going to go through both boxes. We're going to go through everything that I've been buying. I will link everything down below as well so you can shop the entire video, and let's jump straight into it. Okay, so this was in box number 1. This is one of the first things that arrived and it's this gorgeous puff sleeved tee. Now you guys know I'm absolutely loving my puff sleeves, and I recently picked up another Zara number which was like a Bardo style and I absolutely loved how it looked. I have kind of steered away from Bardo in the past, mainly because I don't have the most broad shoulders, which is kind of why I'm wearing this puff sleeve tee, because it makes my shoulders look a lot broader than they are. So I kind of have steered clear of it in the past, but once I picked that other one up from Zara, I was like, do you know what? Let's try out some more like Bardo style tees. So I picked up this one which has got this like gorgeous big puff sleeves that come, I'd say that's probably going to come to your elbow, and this stunning like ribbed body. Now I'm not going to lie, it looks tiny. I picked this up in a medium. Yes, in a medium, and it does look tiny, but it's one of those where I think it's going to stretch. The other Bardo that I had looked really tiny as well, but it does stretch quite a lot. Like if you look at this, that stretch, oh my god, that stretches so far. So I think these are the kind of tops that like they come up a little bit undersized, but they stretch, so they're still quite comfy to wear. I think it's probably better to go for a Bardo that's like a little bit smaller in size and have it stretch out rather than something that's going to like fall down your shoulders and just like really annoy you every day. So I'm really excited to try this on. It's quite a stiff fabric. It almost feels linen-y. What is this fabric? Does it tell you on these? Oh, this is 100% ecologically grown cotton. Interesting. So it's a nice cotton material, which means it'll be really breathable for summer, and it's just really cute. I think this is going to look absolutely gorgeous paired with just like some denim shorts or like cute trousers like these. I think this is going to be a winner for me. Okay, so this top is absolutely beautiful. I am so in love with how this looks. It's a really gorgeous like off the shoulder top. Now the only thing is that I'm going to say there's not as much movement as this one as there was in the other one from my other haul. The other one like stayed put very well. I think it's because it was a bit tighter down here, whereas this one, like if I start doing this, it does come up a little bit on my shoulders, which is a bit annoying because it does mean that you're going to have to like keep your arms down for most of the day, so you've not got like the biggest range of movement, which I know that you don't want to spend your day doing this, but it's just nice to know that I can lift my arms above my shoulders without having to worry about my top falling off. I do really like this though. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. The sleeves come down a bit longer on me than I thought they were going to, but I'm not mad about it. I think it's still quite cute. So yeah, fit wise, absolutely love it. I think it's really gorgeous. The only thing that I would just say is that I'm not the biggest fan of the fact that it's going to fall off my shoulders. So just something to be wary of if you are looking at buying this, but I do really like how it tucks in. I really like the silhouette and the shape that it gives me, and I think actually like I'm really turning to Bardo style tees. I really seem to like them on me. Who knew? Now this was the other item that arrived in the first box, and this is just the cutest little knit I've ever seen in my life. And you might be thinking, Ellie, why are you buying a knit in summer? But it's a very loose like holey knit. that make sense? Like you can see my hand through it. So I think this is the kind of thing that's perfect for summer in England, because I mean, even though we have had a bit of a heat wave, it's like, it's not always going to be like this. And you know there are going to be some cooler days that you just want something a little bit warmer. And I think this is also the perfect thing if you style this up with a pair of shorts, so you look very summery, but you're still going to stay a little bit warm on top. So I picked this up in a medium again. This only cost £20, so £19.99, which I just think this is absolutely adorable for £20. The embroidery on it is so high quality. I love Zara embroidery. They do such a good job with their embroidery. You guys know the other embroidery code that I bought, I have worn so much. I really love how it looks, and I was a little bit worried about how the embroidery would hold up, but it's been fab. It's fine in the wash. Like, I haven't had any issues with it, so I'm really excited to try this on, see what it looks like. It's quite a similar like shape to this kind of top, where it comes out a bit at your shoulders, and then I think to make it flattering I'm going to add a belt and like cinch it in at the waist. I think that's the best way to wear these, to make them look as flattering as possible. But I just think this is the cutest little top I've ever seen in my life. This top is also very cute. I must say, if you don't tuck it in, it is a bit shapeless, and I did have to work because it is quite cropped, so I have had to like pull my trousers up to make sure that it does like stay tucked in. So just something to be wary of if you are a bit taller. It might come up a little bit shorter on you. I don't really know how well it's going to work with regards to tucking in. Could be worth sizing down, and it might be a little bit tighter on you, but I don't think that's the style of the top. Or it could be worth sizing up. I don't know, but I do quite like it. I think it looks really cute, just styled up with a pair of trousers tucked in. I love the embroidery detail. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's so well made, and really like soft and comfy to wear. I think this is going to be a perfect summer top for when it's like a little bit chillier and you want something a bit cute but it's still going to keep you warm. And again, styled up with a pair of denim shorts is going to look gorgeous. Okay, so this next item is actually what inspired the entirety of this haul, and I saw this online and I was like, I need that in my life. And it is this gorgeous little pouch bag. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? I showed this to Alex and he was like, why? You can't even leave the house at the moment. But you know what? I'm going to walk around the supermarket with style with this bag. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got like a metal closure that's very solid. Can you see that? Very solid, and it's got this really cute little pouch inside, and it's just absolutely adorable. I think this is just the sweetest thing in the world. It only cost, again, £19.99, and it's this gorgeous satin. It looks silk. I'm assuming it's satin for £19.99, so it looks a lot more expensive than it is, and I just think this is absolutely adorable. I mean, look at this. Just start with like a gorgeous white dress or something to add a little pop of something. I'm so in love with it. Okay, now this next item, I won't lie, I thought it was going to be more along the lines of this top that I'm wearing, because it's kind of like advertised as like a muscle tee. I'm going to see what it looks like on. It's off the hanger, it's looking like a weird mix of a racerback tee and a muscle tee, so I'm not entirely sure how flattering this is going to be on me, mainly because I do not have the broadest shoulders in the world. As I said, my shoulders kind of just like drop. They're not the most flattering. I really love a girl with like big broad shoulders. I just think it's so gorgeous. So I'm not entirely sure if this is just going to look really flat on me and just not that cute. I think I need something with a bit of like a pad in it and like a puff to kind of like lift them up a little bit. So if you've got broad shoulders, this might suit you quite well. I'm going to try it on and see what it looks like. Again, I picked it up in a size medium. So size wise it looks absolutely fine. I'm just worried about the sleeves and whether they're going to be that flattering. But again, I would probably tuck this into like a pair of denim shorts or like trousers like I'm wearing, just to really create that like triangle line going from your shoulders to your waist. I find that so flattering when you've got like a belt on and you've got a bit of a smaller waist and then your shoulders like come out quite far. I just think it's so flattering, and I really love that silhouette on me. So we'll see what this looks like on. I'm hoping it's going to look nice because it's very soft and stretchy and comfy and a really cute piece. I'm undecided about this one. I think it's going to go back. It's one of those where, you know, when you're not sure, so you should probably send it back if you're not sure. I just don't think it's the most flattering on me. These little shoulder bits kind of come out a little bit, but not far enough for it to be flattering, for me to like look like I have this triangle shape. It just kind of makes my arms look a bit fat, and yeah, just not really feeling this one. A bit of a shame because I thought it could look quite cute, but no, I think I'm going to send this back. And I actually think if you have broad shoulders, this would look worse on you. So forget what I said about being broad shouldered, that it would look better. I think if your shoulders came out even further than this, it just wouldn't be flattering. It's a very weird mix of like a racer style vest and like a puff sleeve vest. like a shoulder pad vest and a muscle tee. Yeah, no, not keeping this one. So I've not stopped talking about denim shorts in this haul, and that is because I picked myself up a pair. So I wanted to get a pair of new denim shorts because I don't actually own that many in my wardrobe. Now I know I bought the black ones in my last Zara haul and I absolutely loved them. So I wanted to get the same ones in the like light blue denim. They were actually sold out in that style. So I saw this one, it came up as the suggested. This is just called the mum fit. So I thought I'd try them. I really like how like high-waisted they look and like how loose they look on my thighs. I mean, it's really funny because I always look at this and it looks absolutely huge, and then I put them on and normally my thunder thighs fill the jeans. So we'll see what these look like on. Looking at them on like off the hanger, I think they're going to be really cute. I'm very excited to try these. I got these in a 40, which I believe is a 12, UK 12. Yeah, got them in a UK 12, and I find the last denim shorts that I bought from Zara fitted really well, so I think these are going to be absolutely fine on me. I'm very excited to try these on. I think start up with the two tops I bought, it's going to look really cute. I'm undecided about these shorts. On the one hand, they are very cute and I do like them, but they are a little bit tighter than the other style, and I'm not sure if they're as flattering. As I said, look, those the bits on the legs looked so big when they were off the hanger, and as soon as my thunder thighs fell them, there's not a lot of room here. So they are cute, they're just not as like comfy as I thought they were going to be, and the fact that they're mum shorts, I kind of expect them to be a little bit looser on my legs. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Do you think they're cute? I mean, just looking in the mirror over there, I do think they are quite cute. I just don't know if they're what I was expecting. So yeah, I'm going to need your guys' advice on this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these. Let me know your thoughts. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm really getting into my accessorizing at the moment, and like getting little like accessories and pieces to add onto outfits to really like complete the look. And I was inspired to get this after I saw it online. I can't remember who it was, but they added it to a plain white dress and I was like, that literally looks like it could be on a catwalk. That is stunning. So I picked up this belt. It's in this gorgeous oatmeal colour. It's a lot thicker than I was expecting, so I'm gonna see what it looks like on. I was hoping to style it up with the denim shorts, but I don't know if it's gonna go through the belt loops, to be perfectly honest. But this style with just like a little white dress I think would look so gorgeous. That and a pair of like cute sandals, that is summer to me. This is like a gorgeous dressed up version for summer, or even if you've got like a different coloured dress for a wedding, I think would look so gorgeous if they are going ahead this year. I'm really sorry if that was triggering. But I think this looks really cute. I picked this one up in a 80. Don't know what an 80 is. I'll link in the description whether it's a small, medium or large. But hopefully this is going to fit. I think it looks really gorgeous. The only thing I'm worried about is because it's so thick, sometimes really thick belts on me do not flatter me because I've got such a short torso. Sometimes if a belt is too thick, it just cuts me in half and makes me look like I have no shape whatsoever. So we'll see what this looks like on and whether it is flattering. Now this definitely wouldn't be how I would style it, but I just wanted to show you the belt on because it definitely doesn't fit through the loops, but I do really love it. I think this styled up with maybe like a white dress, even like a black top and a black skirt would look really cute, just to add a bit of interest. I think it looks very designer. Like I would mistake this belt for Dior. If someone said this was Dior, I would believe them. I think it's a really cute belt. Now it is very chunky. It's not that easy to get on and off, but it does fit quite well. I'm on the loosest at the moment, but I do have like, obviously I have just put it over like these jeans, so if I was to have it on with a little dress, I'd be able to tighten it a little bit. So this does just about fit. But it's comfy as well. I do really like it. I think I'm going to keep this and style it up very differently to how I am styled now, but I do really like this belt. Now, one of my favourite things about shopping at Zara is that you can pick up some pieces that look so designer, and these shoes, I saw these online and I was like, no, are you serious? I mean, do these not scream Chanel or what? And the price of these, I believe it's because they're on sale at the moment, but these cost me £12.99. I am so obsessed with how these look. They are so gorgeous, really dainty and really pretty. I believe they also come in a little kitten heel, I think it was, but I decided to go for the flat ones just because I think I'm going to get more wear out of them, to be perfectly honest. I'm not really a heel kind of a gal. Despite my height, I don't enjoy wearing heels and I don't wear them all that often. I'm kind of the kind of person that's like embraced my height and I'm not worried about being too short anymore. I kind of just accepted that that is who I am and I'm not going to kill my feet just to try and add an extra 2 inches. to my height. So I picked these up in the flats and I absolutely love them. The colour is stunning. It's this gorgeous nude paired with the black, which is what really, really screams Chanel to me. They look so much like the Chanel flats that everyone has seen online, and I just love them. I think even though we can't really wear them out at the moment, just start on my shelf, I'm gonna look at these and just be like, babies, I love them. Now I was going to show you these shoes on, but I have the most awful tan lines on my feet, so it's not happening. But I picked these up in a 4, and I'd say they are quite true to size. I wouldn't, no actually I didn't, I picked these up in a 3. Yeah, 36, which is a 3. So I am like a 3.5, 4, so I kind of go between sizes with shoes. And these I picked up in a 3 because I thought I didn't want these to slide off my feet, and even then they do feel a little bit big. So I would definitely say if you're between sizes, go for the size down. I would say that that's probably going to fit your feet better, but they look absolutely gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with them. They are 100% staying in my wardrobe for a very long time. Okay guys, so that was everything that I have picked up at Zara recently. Honestly, Zara are just killing it at the moment. I feel like I say that in every single Zara haul that I do, but they really, really are. I wouldn't be doing so many Zara hauls if I wasn't really enjoying all the pieces that they've got online at the moment. And the fact that they've like coped so well within this whole pandemic. Delivery has not been long at all. The maximum I had to wait was, I think, a week for these parcels to arrive, which is just, I think that's really, really great. The fact that they've got like their models modeling at home, like such a good marketing ploy. I am honestly just gushing about Zara right now, but I really, really love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite item was in the description box. I'd love to know if you're picking up any of these pieces yourself. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this is all going to still be in stock, because I know that some things have been selling out quite quickly, but hopefully you're still able to get your hands on all of these pieces, and I would love it if you subscribed and came back for more. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye.